Welcome to AXON official channel. Here we share powerful tools, smart earning tips and trusted methods to help you grow fast in digital world. Our goal is simple: learn together, earn together and rise together. If you are ready to level up your skill and be part of the number one trusted community, hit the subscribe button and join the team AXON today. Now to join the channel, you will need to download Telegram and open Telegram. I will be posting access success files and everything related to this video on this channel. First of all, you have to go and search AXON redirect. Then you will find a channel. Join and click the enter message. Join the entire community here, and there is you can add the folders. Once you click the pin message in all channels, and make sure you follow the rules. Before making any deals, always use an official trusted middleman. Our team's is Midify, but I am not saying you must use only ours. You can use any reputed middleman you trust. Please follow these rules. Jacking, you will need an Android device. It works on PC too, but I don't have my PC tool right now. Then you have to go here. Then you can find a channel. Steps 1. To run the Python file, download the Pyro app from the material channel. You have to download this one. Download, then open, and then give allow all permission. On search for bot father and create. On Telegram, search for bot father and create a bot. Click start, then select new bot. You have to click on this, and here is the option for start. Then you have to start, then click on this. To click on new bots, give it name of bot. Give it any name you want. Then choose a username must end with underscore bot, like this. Once the bot is created, start it. You have to click on this. And start the bot. Then you have to go on search for user info bot to get user ID. Click start, and it will show your ID. Click on start, and see. This is your run my file. It will install like PIP and take 2-3 minutes. Once it shows program finished, turn on paid VPN. I recommend it. Subsuck, I will give you access. Now you have to share this one token and this user info bot. Connect the VPN server. Recommended Germany Berlin. This one you have to. Then have to click on this, and this one you button. Have to click and hold. Then click on paste. Then click on arrow button. Then you have to type the user ID. Then click on the arrow button. Must start the bot before use this file. There is it. Then you have to go on Telegram. There is 193 followers. There is 93 followers. Then you have to create Gmail. Then you have to create Gmail. I'll video on how to create Gmail and on this topic. Let's be ideas for next week. Maybe I'll done on Ben and Ben. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and join. Let's move forward together.